Hi friends, Miss Hazel here,
And Miss Kate.
and Barry. He came to visit today. And guess what? We're gonna learn how to make puppets. Meet Barry. Beep, beep, beep. He's a very funny little simple puppet that we made with the kids this week and we had so much fun. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So here we go. I'm gonna just leave. Barry can be over here watching us. Wait, I'll put him right here. He can be part of our lesson today. There we go. All right, you just stay right there. Okay. All right, so I made a simple pattern myself. I kind of thought my hands wide. This works for little friends too. And I like, when I make a pattern, I fold it in half because then I know that the both sides are going to be the same. It's symmetrical, so it's a pretty simple shape. Mine is about, I just measured it. It's about 10 inches across, and like 8.5 inches tall. And the felt that I use is, I think it's 9 by 12. 9 by 12. Like if you buy regular sheets of felt at the store, they're 9 by 12. So then I make my little pattern and then I fit it on here. You can see I've used this one a bunch. And pin it down and then cut it out. I brought our scissors today. We call these small but mighty scissors. They're so sharp. Little friends can cut really well with them, but they have to be careful. So there you go. Gonna pin this down, cut, and it'll look something like this. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's just gonna be a puppet friend that you have. So after you cut it out, take your two pieces. You know, we like to use these little fun clips, or you could use pins, and hook everything together. And you wanna be super careful when you're sewing that you don't sew the bottom. Silly gooses, we had that happen this week. You want to sew up around the arms, around the head, and that's how you're going to get your puppet. So you're going to sew. If you remember how to sew, get your knot at the end of your needle. We have a sewing video if you want to learn how to look it up. Look it up. It shows you basic sewing. But I'm just going to use a running stitch and go in and out around my puppet. Finish it up. There's a couple different ways, in and out, in and out, in and out, like that, all the way around. You get the idea. You can see Barry here. He's all sewn like that. When you're doing the face, you have a couple of different options. We like to keep all of our felt scraps. This is a regular piece of felt. If you're going to make something that's going to be like, I think that I'm going to make this one into a cat. Or I think, yeah, that's fine. If you're using something that has two, like your ears, if you fold it together and then you just cut your two pieces together, then guess what? Small but mighty, two that are the same. So you have a couple of different options. You can sew your body parts on, or this week we were using glue. So you just use a tiny bit of glue and then you would glue your ears on. Like I did with Barry, I glued his ears on. But also in our box of yummy, wonderful felt things, I found felt that's got a sticky back. So if you go to the craft store, you can find this felt. So I'm going to show you. I have it in white and black. So you can sew your eyes, you can buy sticky back felt, or you can use glue. So sticky, there's my eye. And I think that you need to have a pupil inside your eye. You get the idea. You could be creative. There's my one-eyed friend. Also this week, people did funny things like they made cyclops. Here's a cyclops. Oh! And then, or you could give him a little horn. Be creative.
They made clothes for them too.
I know, we made clothes. Okay, check this out. I'm going to put his horn on with sticky. Look at that.
And puppet shows are so much fun.
Yeah. So you can decide how you want to decorate your puppet, but it's pretty simple. Don't overthink it. It doesn't have to be, it could be a made up character. It could be, we also had, we glued pieces of yarn for tails. Some of our friends made flowing hair with yarn and string. So, and we used jewels to make a crown, but there you go. That is how you make me, Barry, the little puppet. It's not a puppy. Okay, thank you for joining us. If you like our videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel right here and see what we're up to. Thanks for coming.
Okay, see
Bye,
you soon.
friends.
Bye.